This procedure will assist you with assembling the cubicle door. Snap the I-post into the grooves on the door frame. Snap the two-way post into the grooves on the door frame. Secure the I-post to the door frame using 5 self-drilling screws. Secure the two-way post to the door frame using 5 self-drilling screws. Attach the post cover to the two-way post as needed for your configuration. Important, the post cover must click into place to ensure a proper connection. Snap 1 PC cover into place at the bottom of the I-post as shown. Snap 1 PC cover into place at the bottom of the other post as shown. Snap the door into place. Once the door is secured, attach the door handle. Test the door to ensure it latches and locks. If your door does not latch or lock, continue to the next step for leveling instructions. Remove the top 4 screws, then raise the base panel by sliding the panel up and remove the lower 1 screw. Optional step, use the included plastic tapered shims to adjust the height or level the door. Secure the I-post to the door frame using 5 self-drilling screws after the adjustment. Congratulations, this completes the assembly of the cubicle door.